Brooke's an international NGO and we work in some of the world's poorest communities, helping working horses, donkeys and mules have a life worth living.
I think technology supports all elements of the Brooke, from the work that we do here in the UK in the fundraising and communications department, all the way through to the work that we do at the coalface in the country programmes that we work with.
We operate in a lot of challenging environments. We operate in a lot of challenging countries, and there's varying sort of availability of infrastructure and services.
Brooke is very early in its digital transformation journey, and it's really important that we work with partners that understand that we are at the beginning of that journey.
Phoenix have helped the Brooke to undertake a full Microsoft cloud transformation project, including migrating them to Microsoft Azure, helping them deploy Microsoft 365, and explore the capabilities of AI and data services.
This work has been a key enabler for Brooke. We're moving more to cloud-based services and cloud-based technologies. We have colleagues all over the country and all over the world, and we can provide better, more consistent services. It's allowed us to get far better visibility of what's going on in our environment and which services we really need and which ones we kind of don't need anymore.
It's been great working with Phoenix on this project. This was a major project for us. It was going to be quite a challenge as we don't have any experience with Azure previously. They work very closely with us to assess our infrastructure, do dependency mappings, and do proof of concept migrations. That all gave us a lot of confidence that what we were proposing to do was correct.
We started the project with the Brooke and followed the cloud adoption framework from Microsoft. So we initially started with an assessment, moved on to a landing zone / pilot deployment, and finally we did the full migration. Throughout this process, we applied for Microsoft funding, which helped accelerate their digital transformation.
So we've saved in the region of a six-figure sum on cost avoidance with regards to renewal of a lot of our infrastructure and infrastructure services. We've reduced a lot of complexity within our network as well.
Phoenix are supporting the mission and goals of the Brooke in a number of ways. What we are most proud of is helping them to support frontline workers and those people around the world in potentially inaccessible areas and where technology isn't as modern as what we experience here in the UK. The platform that we've deployed for them is helping them to collect data in places such as India to make better and more informed decisions around animal welfare. And hopefully, as we continue to work with them, we'll be able to make this technology more accessible throughout the globe.
Phoenix, as an expert Azure MSP, we are able to help other charities out there because of our experience. It's something that we do on a regular basis, extremely frequently, and we have the relevant experts out there and the close partnership with Microsoft as well.
The partnership between us and Phoenix has been a bit of a game changer for us. We would normally have quite traditional relationships with our suppliers in the past, but the relationship with Phoenix has been very mutually beneficial. We've worked very closely with them on some innovation. They provide us with a lot of time and resource, and they've really got to understand us as a charity.
I think one of the really important things for charities is that we ensure that our money is well spent. Our donors expect us to be efficient in delivering the goals that they support us to achieve. Technology for me is at the heart of that. My message for all charities is that we shouldn't be scared of change. We shouldn't be scared of the transformation that we can deliver internally so that we can deliver that transformation on the ground wherever we work. And sometimes people think the charity sector's a bit sleepy and behind the curve, but I think we can show other sectors that we're not, that we're leaders in technology just as we're leaders in progressive change.